Okay, it's time to work on our words again. Today we're going to be working on blending words together by sounding out the letters. So I want to see if you can read them before I can. We're going to challenge ourselves. So I'm going to write down a word to show you. Okay, now take a look at the word I have on my board. Try and sound it out to yourself. I'll help you with this one, but I want you to do the next one. So we have the first letter, C, says K. Good job. U says and P says P. Good job. Now we're going to say the sounds. K, P. Say them faster. K, P. And put the word together. Did you get the word cup? Good job. All right. Now I'm not going to tell you the sounds on this next one. I want you to challenge your brain and read the word. Ready? Oops, there you go. All right, what's the word? Did you get mat? Nice work. Yes, at says mat. Make sure to use your fingers or your arm to help you tap out. Let's try another one. Okay. Take a look at this word. Sound it out. Try and figure out the word. Did you get the word sub? Nice. We know S says S, U says B says B. So the word is sub when you put them all together. Let's try one more. Remember, you're going to try and read it faster than I can, so try and put those sounds together. Okay, read this one. Let's see, I hear a t, I, p. Did you get the word tip? Nice job. All right, I'm going to put some words up on our box for you. Click on it and try and sound out all the words. Good luck.